What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today we are going to be going over investing and why you need to be doing it now. Before we get any further into the video, please smash that like and subscribe button. It really helps me out, helps YouTube know that this is a good video. We're going to hop right into it, and I'm going to start this off with a quote, you guys. Most people have probably never heard of Nestle, but it's a quote that really goes well with what we're going to be covering today. I spend all of this paper to make some more paper. I call it recycle, by Nestle. What does that mean? That means you spend money to make money, right? And that's what we're going to hop into first thing here, right? Let's get educated. Let's get in that bag. So, first things first, what is investing, right? What is it? How do you do it? How do you get started with it? All those good questions, right? Well, let me just go ahead and give you the base definition right off the bat. So, investing is when you are expending money with the idea or the expectation of making money or making a profit in return. You know, spend a dollar, make two. Only ever invest what you can afford to lose. I cannot explain this or stress this enough. People seem to think that when it's time to start investing, you just mortgage rent right there on in whatever investment they think might make them a millionaire. That's not the way to do it. If you want to start investing the proper way, you need to start dollar cost averaging in. And what does that mean, Newton? I'm so glad you guys asked. Dollar cost averaging is simply when you get your paycheck, right? You take a certain portion of that paycheck and you put it specifically for your investments. Be that crypto, be that rental properties, be that the stock market. All of these are good investing opportunities, and these are ways to make money in 2022. Um, Another thing, and this is the other half of investing, is profit taking. Not just, oh man, I put in $1,000 and now my $1,000 is worth $300. I'm sad. That means you're emotionally invested. What you need to be doing is, once you put in however much money you can afford to lose, once again, you only invest what you can afford to lose. And once you put in that amount of money, what you should be doing is you should be taking profits on the way up. The stock market, the crypto market, all of these markets, they're going to fluctuate. They're going to go up, they're going to go down, and you need to position yourself in a way where you're going to make money on the ups and you're going to make money on the downs. Next week, or hopefully sometime this week, I want to give you guys a good video on bull and bear markets, so that way you guys understand that you can profit in both an uptrend and a downtrend. Um, because it's very easy. I wish somebody would have told me this, when Bitcoin first came around, because this is the kind of information that turns the average Joe who works at Walmart into a millionaire, right? These small investment strategies can change your life. Um, but we're gonna hop right back into it. I'm not gonna keep you guys here for too long. I just want you guys to get into investing. 2022 is the perfect time to start. Right now, we are currently in a quote unquote bear market in crypto, but that's just because stocks are doing what stocks are going to do at the beginning of the year, right? The Fed just cracked down hard on crypto. So a lot of people are in that fear phase right now, that fear and uncertainty, not knowing what's going to be happening in the next couple of months. You need to be positioning yourself right now at a place where it doesn't matter if the market goes up and it doesn't matter if the market goes down, because you're going to profit regardless. That's what I do with my profits personally, and that's what I hope that you guys are going to do. Once again, I am not a financial advisor. Please do not take any of this as financial advice. I just want to give you guys the plays that I'm in, and hopefully, you guys can make some money too. Now, when we talk about investing, there are different types of investments. I went over a few of them already, right? We have the rental market, we have crypto, we have stocks and ETFs. What would be the best for you? Right? That's what you came here for. That's what you want to know. You want to know, why is it worth your time to get into investing? And I'm going to tell you, the easiest thing that I can tell you right off the bat: investing will change your life. It will give you the financial freedom to, hang out at home like I do, and just be a homebody, right? I don't really like going out and doing too much, and this offers me that opportunity to do that. Not everybody's like me. Most people actually like to go out, so, to each their own. But the three best starter investments, in my opinion, are going to be, and I'm putting them in an order where it's from the easiest to get into and the lowest financial burden to the hardest to get into with the highest financial burden. And I broke it down into the top three. This way you guys can go ahead and put your foot in the water, get in there and actually see what investing is all about, because this is going to change your life. So the first thing, online marketing. That could be affiliate marketing. That could be solo ads. There's a lot of different avenues with that and investing in that. And the reason it's the first one, and also the lowest entry level in terms of knowledge or financial ability, is because it generally takes $0 to get started in online marketing, right? Basically, it's you putting yourself out there saying, hey, I have something and I want you to buy it. In that way, the investment there is more time, and also obviously if you're buying into certain systems, i.e. a funnel, i.e. Domain names and hosting, and having your own website, all those different things that could cost money, they're not necessarily needed at the very beginning when you first get started. With that in mind, it makes it a very easy and a very financially lucrative thing to start and get into, especially in 2022. The next thing on the list is cryptocurrencies. We know what those are already, right? Those are our digital assets. Think of it as the Mona Lisa in terms of the digital space, right? That's the age we are going towards with crypto. And crypto is actually one of the biggest ways that is making millennial millionaires right now. I don't know if most of you guys have heard, but Shiba Inu is blowing up everywhere. It was the biggest crypto of 2021, and a lot of people such as myself who got in early were able to profit very, very heavily from it, with gains somewhere in the millions, right? Now, I'm not saying that you're going to go pick a crypto and you're going to become a millionaire. However, investing constantly and on a schedule will get you to that goal that you want to get to. I can guarantee it. Now, crypto, that's one of those things where you invest exactly what you're comfortable in losing, right? Crypto is actually more volatile than the stock market and the ETFs and the rental market and stuff like that, because, crypto can go from you making 30, 40, 50% on a daily to going into the negatives, 30, 40, 50%. And if you're not comfortable with that, crypto may not be the best place for you to get into to start off. And then that just brings me to my last one, guys, and that's just, penny stocks and ETFs, basically the stock market. Anyone can get involved in that. It does require a little bit more investment to really see the benefits of what you're investing in. Usually because to invest in a specific stock, you would have to have a certain amount put down. So like, let's say, you want to invest in Apple. Apple stock is roughly $3,000 per stock. $3,360 something per stock, and this was at the time of me checking. Obviously, the layman can't just buy a bunch of stocks of that. Well, the good news is there's a lot of websites such as Stash, which I personally use, which allows you to put in, let's say $20 a day, and then it can even be split automatically into a different set of portfolios to make you money over time. The point is to dollar cost average in, to continuously be putting money in. The moment you just put a sum of money in and you just leave it, it's only going to grow so much. You have to help your money grow. We've all heard the term, scared money don't make money, and that's just a fact. Now, the one thing I will mention with crypto and penny stocks, both of these are always going to do better the more you start to put in. As long as you're consistently putting in money, you're going to consistently see those results. Now, I just wanted to break this one last point down, and then I will let you guys go, because it's time for you guys to get investing, right? And that is to be emotionally detached from the result. This is no matter what you do, investing is for the long term. Some people will tell you that day trading and, short stocking and all this kind of stuff, but if you are wanting to just get into investing, start something for your financial future, I guarantee you need to be emotionally detached from the results. And what that means is you need to be taking profits all the way up. That, I understand a lot of people, they're like, hey, I put in 1,000 and it went to 1,500, and that's amazing, and I just left it in there. No, you need to be taking profits. My personal advice is 10%. Every 10% above your original investment, you take profits. Why do you do that? Because after you do that 10 times, that's 100% of your original investment. Then you're playing with the house's money. Do you understand what that means? That means I take $1,000, I put it into this. Over the course of 10 months, it grows and it doubles. I now have $2,000. I take out my $1,000 and I'm still at $1,000 in the bank, right? Because I'm taking out just my initial investment. Now, guys, I really hope that this helped somebody. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. I just want to help you guys get that money. I want you to get that bag, right? So if you could just like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys found super useful from this video, and let me know if you guys want more stuff just like this. Next video is definitely going to be something crazy. It's going to help you guys out to realize that you can profit on the ups and the downs. So stay tuned for that. Bull and bear markets coming soon. Guys, till next time, stay safe, wear a seatbelt.